Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest and urgent update of the XRP. What's going on in the XRP? What surprise changes occur in the XRP? Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, I want to request all of you to please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos, guys. So guys, the latest price of the XRP in the market is 0.980924 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the XRP in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the changes occurring in the XRP, so now the last 1 hour changes is positive, the last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week changes is positive. Now guys, XRP is going to hit a 1 USD dollar very soon. At the last I forget the price of XRP will be 1 USD dollar. Guys, it's still an opportunity with all of you. Buy now more and more XRP and make a huge profit. Anyways, it is the 6th market ring in the crypto market. Wow, a massive jump secured by XRP in the last 2-3 days. And still they are continuing the jumping mood. And guys, I'm sure about that XRP will continue this jump for a long time. That is a long-term project, my friends. XRP holders. It is a viral coin. Also, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin. These three is a viral coin in the cryptocurrencies market. So please don't think about these coins. That is a profitable coin. That's why they are viral in the market. Everybody knows about XRP. Everybody knows about Dogecoin. Everybody knows about Cardano. So that is a profitable. Don't worry about this channel. These coin only give you profit, not loss. And the new listing of the XRP are also coming soon, and I will try to update you about the new listing of XRP Ripple coin. So click the subscribe button now for more updates and news videos about XRP Ripple coin. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.